Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zillow Rental Manager for cash flow tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Zillow Rental Manager for cash flow tracking, start by visiting the Zillow website. Log into your existing Zillow account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, navigate to the Rental Manager section found in the main menu. If you own rental properties, click on Add a Property to input your property details. Fill in the necessary information about your rental unit, including the address, type, and monthly rent. Once your property is added, proceed to the Manage tab associated with your rental property. Locate the accounting feature within the management options provided. Click on the Accounting section to access cash flow tracking tools. Here, you will find options to input income and expenses related to your rental property. Add any rental income by clicking on the Add Income button and entering the relevant details. Be sure to categorize each income entry appropriately to keep your records organized. Next, input any expenses by selecting the Add Expense option. Fill out the expense details, including date, amount, category, and any notes for clarification. Once you've entered all your information, review for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, save your changes. Your cash flow tracking is now enabled, and you can view your financial overview in the Reports section. Regularly update your income and expenses to keep your tracking accurate. Utilizing these features will help you manage your rental properties effectively. You are now equipped to track cash flow using Zillow Rental Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.